Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about how to present a lab activity in the physical science board exam. This can be used for Telangana as well as Andhra Pradesh board exams. So now I'll take one example and I'll explain you how to present a lab activity in the perfect manner. Okay? So first of all, we are presenting a lab activity for the boards. So let's see what is the first thing that we are going to write. The first step is aim. Okay. So what is the aim of the lab activity? What is the aim of the lab activity? The second is the materials required for this lab activity. And the third one is the procedure. Okay. And the fourth one is observation. Fifth one is a result analysis. Sixth one is generalization. And seventh one is precautions, if any, we are going to take to conduct this lab activity. Okay. Now, one by one, we are going to understand. First one is aim. The second one is the materials required. Third one is the procedure. Here only you are going to draw the diagram. Okay. Here we are going to have the observation. For the physics, maximum cases observations will be tables. In writing chemistry, observation will be your whatever the thing that you are going to, any gas released, something like that. Okay. Result analysis. Here in the result analysis, especially for the chemistry, we are going to use the chemical reactions, if any, involved in the reaction. And generalization is the thing that you are going to conclude. And precautions, if any, we are going to take. In general, we can say in physics, we are going to take the general precaution, that is measure the distances accurately. In the chemistry, you all know, wear gloves before conducting the experiment, and be careful while handling with the fire and all this that we are going to write in chemistry. In physics, generally we are going to write measure the distances accurately. Okay. Now we are going to take one example and I am going to explain you this thing by taking an example. Okay. Now I'll take one example lab activity and I'll explain you how to present a lab activity. Okay. So the first one is the first one is aim. So I'm going to write here. The first step is aim. So I'll tell you the lab activity in which we are going to find the focal length of a concave mirror. The first lesson lab activity. How do you find the focal length of a concave mirror is the question. Okay. Now see in what way I am presenting here. Aim to find the focal length of a concave mirror is our aim. Okay. The second one. What is the second one? So what are the materials required to conduct this experiment? What are the materials required? Can you please tell me? We require a concave mirror. We require a V-type stand. We require a candle, meter scale, screen and pencil. So these are the materials required to conduct this experiment. And the next one is the procedure of conducting this experiment. In the procedure, you always prefer to draw the diagram. Okay. So now I am going to draw the diagram. Okay. This is a rough diagram that I am drawing. So this is a V-type wooden stand and here we are going to place the concave mirror and we are going to place the candle here and here somewhere we are going to place the screen. Okay. Now this is the place for the meter scale. Okay, now our diagram is over. So here write, arrange the equipment as shown in the figure. Okay, arrange the equipment. Uh, Better not to write you take that there and here, this you have to take here, this you have to take here, and all this no need. You have to run the diagram. Just write arrange the equipment as shown in the figure. Now I am writing, adjust the position of the candle, position of the candle such that we can have a clear, sharp image on the screen. Okay, adjust the position of the candle such that we can have a clear, sharp image on the screen. Measure the distance between candle and the mirror as U. The distance between screen and the mirror as V. Okay, after this we are going to mention, repeat this at different positions of the candle and observations are tabulated. Repeat the experiment at different positions and the observations are tabulated. See, this is our procedure. So after procedure, what we are going to write? After the procedure, we are going for observation. So what is our observation now? What is your observation now? So we are going to mention the observation here. So in maximum cases of physics lab activities, observation will be a table. Okay, so I am going to draw a table. See in what way I am writing here. See here I am writing serial number. Here I will write U. Here I will write V. Here I will write 1 by U. And here I will write 1 by V. In the last we are writing 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay. In the serial number you write 1, 2, 3 and you leave the table like that only. You need not to write any values there. You have to leave the table like that. Okay. You need not to mention anything. Just leave the table like that. Okay. So your table is closed. Now you have to close the table. Okay. Nothing we are writing. U, V, 1 by U, 1 by V, 1 by U plus 1 by V. After observation, what you are going to write? Result analysis. So what is our result analysis? You know, even the value of U and V are going to change. 1 by U, 1 by V is going to change, but the value of 1 by U plus 1 by V will remain constant. So I am writing that. From the above table, the value of 1 by U plus 1 by V will remain constant. Okay, this is the result analysis. After result analysis, what we are going to write? The last step is generalization. What is our generalization? Generalization is from the formula. What is the formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. We can find the focal length of any given concave mirror. Okay. So now we are going to write the precautions in the last. So what are the precautions to be taken? What are the precautions? Measure the distances accurately. Okay, so this is the way to present a lab activity, and if you are going to present in this manner, then automatically the evaluator is going to feel happy. See, if you are going to write in this manner, the student is going to feel very easy to present it. See, aim, the materials required, the procedure. In the procedure only you are going to cover the diagram, and then observation, which is generally a table in the physics lab activities, and here result analysis. Whatever we are going to have the result from this above table, we are going to write. For example, from the above table, the values of 1 by u plus 1 by v will remain constant. Generalization is the thing what you have concluded from this, and precautions you are going to write. So I hope if you are going to present in this manner, you are going to get 6 by 6. Okay, all the best guys. Thank you.